We are in beautiful Bali, Indonesia, and we're in one of the biggest villas in the area, which is only 5 minutes away from Tanah Lot beach. We have beautiful tropical architecture with lots of open spaces, and I can't wait to show you guys. This is Julia and welcome to another Presello open house tour, but this time we are in Tanah Lot, Bali, Indonesia, and I can't wait to show you guys. So here you have your carport and your main entrance, and the moment you swing open the wooden double doors, you have this to welcome you. Truly paradise, is it not? So you have a few steps going down, you have a pond over here, and then a pathway leading to the main house, as well as a garden. But first, let's check out what's on the left side, at least from your perspective. So over here, let me just take off my shoes. We have bedroom number 1. So you have glass sliding doors that you can open to reveal the bed itself. You have lots of natural light thanks to the windows all around, but still you have a lot of privacy thanks to the greenery. Now right behind your bed, you have double doors, wooden louvered doors, mind you, that lead to the ensuite, toilet and bath, with his and her sinks, a toilet on the left side, and then the shower here on the right side. And all of them have a view of that gorgeous open landscape in the back. And then there are built-ins on either side of the door for, well, I suppose you could say it's a his and hers as well. Okay, let's walk through here, and I'm gonna show you more of the details in a different room. But isn't it so nice how it's so open and yet so private at the same time, thanks to the wall of greenery. Okay, let me just take my shoes over here, and we can follow the path leading to the main house. Now you have another bedroom over here, generally looks the same as bedroom number 1. Of course, you still have all of the views. And then over here, we have a wooden deck that leads to the house itself. But you almost don't feel it because it's so open. Like 1 second you're outdoors, and the moment you step in here, it's the indoors technically, but it still feels like it's the outdoors thanks to the cross ventilation. Excellent ventilation, mind you, because, well, you barely see any walls, right? It's all windows, and windows with a view. Look at that. It's all rice fields and sky and trees. And then all of this flows seamlessly through your dining and your living areas. Now, every area of this open area actually have skylights. So you have one here above the living area or the couch. You have one above the dinner table. And then over here, you have the kitchen. So the kitchen has its own nook. It also has its own bar, perfect for entertaining guests. And it also has access to the pantry, which also serves as the daily kitchen. And again, take note, you have skylights everywhere, and that's why natural light is abundant. You really don't need to turn on your lights anymore during the day, but at night, and as you will see, you have these wooden details in the ceiling, right? Now those aren't just simple wooden slats. They actually hide lights, so at night you're gonna have some beautifully bounced lighting. Okay, now in here we have double doors that lead to the powder room. Look at that. So you have this massive sink, beautiful detail, might I add. And then you have a window at the back. Now it doesn't actually have glass, it's only made to look like that, but it is open. So ventilation is not a problem. See what I mean? I love this idea. It's so open and again, private. I can't state that enough. And so you have your toilet over there, of course. Very easily accessible by your guests. And then before we move on, of course, you have this area where you can admire the water feature in the center of the entire open space. It's like an atrium basically, where you even have a tree in the middle that sprouts all the way up, because yes, that is in fact open. Okay, so this is the common space, right? Now we can move on to this separate area, which are the more private spaces. So over here we have 3 other bedrooms, all facing this gorgeous view of the swimming pool and the rice fields, but we're gonna check out this one. So again, you have glass sliding doors to lead to the bedroom itself. And now I think I can show you the details. Just take this all in. You have gorgeous bamboo ceiling detail, which look like weaves. Oh, it's bamboo. Yeah, it's bamboo, and it's made to look like weaves. And then over here, in all of the rooms, you have these wooden panels that actually hide the air conditioning unit. Pretty cool, right? It's handcrafted and then painted, and they look like leaves, so the detail is amazing. And then, of course, you have the white walls, the brick walls, and behind the colorful double doors, again, we have the ensuite, toilet and bath, and I love this so much. You have a bathtub over here, shower area with a view of the field in the back, his and her sinks, and then your toilet right over here, and of course your built-ins on either side of the door. And this is one of the best bathrooms I've been in, I have to admit. And then imagine waking up on this bed and to that view. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's head down to the swimming pool. Wow, I am so dwarfed by the plants, and I love how all of this greenery is just part of the architecture. And by the way, if you haven't already, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. Oh, and if you want to see more of this, make sure you comment down below and check out our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so over here we have an open gym, another bedroom right next to it, and then right in front of it we have a deck with a lounge. I mean, check out that lounge. Wouldn't it be super wonderful just to hang out in there with your family and friends? And then you have a massive lap pool over here with a view, again, of the rice fields. And it's not just that. If you look at this view, it's also something to behold. Okay, it's time for a recap, but there's more for you to see with these gorgeous B-rolls. So your property has a lot area of 1,640 square meters and then a floor area of 666 square meters. 5 bedrooms, 3 of the master bedrooms all facing the rice fields and the swimming pool. You have an office actually by the parking spaces, lots of garden areas, and then a really generous open space for the common areas, which includes a beautiful powder room. But speaking of beautiful, obviously, this is what you're getting, the location itself. And again, this is just 5 minutes away from Tanah Lot, because this is Tanah Lot, Bali, Indonesia. Now this is a leasehold property, so if you want to check the number of years and other details, make sure you check the description. Well, I enjoyed this house tour. Hopefully you guys did too, and if you did, make sure you let us know so that we know if we should do more of this. Well, that's it for today. If you want to see more of our Bali, Indonesia listings, make sure you check out our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.